Guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, check natin ang 2025 Honda City 1.5 VCVT Platinum White Pearl. Guys, ito yung middle variant ng ating Honda City. Ang kanyang price is 1,093,000 pesos. So, tour ko na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. Guys, sa front portion natin, naka-halogen projector headlights tayo with daytime running lights, halogen fog lamps, matte black front grille. Then yung upper portion natin is naka-chrome na. Sa lower portion naman natin guys, sa lower front bumper natin, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung pinaka-changes doon sa minor model change. Meron na siyang mga sharp portions para mas maging aggressive yung front natin area. And may resemblance na talaga siya doon sa sa 10th gen na Honda Civic. Then regarding naman sa engine guys, naka tayo 1.5 CVT or 7-speed automatic. 121 horsepower, 145 Newton meters of torque, front wheel drive, double overhead cam. Powerful yet fuel efficient ang ating engine. Nag-range siya ng 8 to 14 km city driving. Ang 8 naman normally pag na-stuck ka sa traffic. Pero pag ang city driving natin is maluwag naman ang road condition or traffic condition, napaka-efficient ng ating Honda City, and 14 kilometers and up naman pag highway. And equipped na nga rin pala to guys ng Honda Sensing. Dito naman tayo sa passenger side. Naka tayo, naka alloy wheels na guys, and naka 16 inch. Then ventilated disc ang ating front brakes. MacPherson strut ang ating suspension sa front, 134 mm ground clearance, door integrated side mirror with side turning lights na, iwas blind spots, chrome door handles, smart entry na rin siya guys. Drum brake ang ating rear brakes, torsion beam naman ang suspension sa rear, shark fin antenna, ito naman yung back portion ng passenger side. Actually ang Honda City natin ngayon, it's more on executive ang itsura for the S and middle variant. Pero doon sa top of the line, naka tayo, sporty look. Sa taillights naman natin guys, LED na. Meron na rin siyang reverse camera. Sa compartment naman guys, 519 liters of cargo space. Spacious ang ating compartment. One of the best assets ng ating Honda City. Kahit yung mga previous model naman guys, naka-spare tire na tayo na donut type, jack and tools. Kompleto naman tayo pag nag-turn over tayo ng unit. Saka na siya, mandatory or standard na kasama na pag tayo, nag-turn over na unit. Wala ba siyang backup sensor? Actually wala siyang built-in backup sensor, pero may option tayo guys na pwedeng installan ng backup sensor ang ating Honda City. Dito naman tayo sa driver side guys. Ayun si Jaime guys, isa sa mga agent ko na napakasipag. Actually nakakota siya last January kasi nga dami niyang kausap na kliyente at nagbunga naman. Then naka tayo, 40 liters fuel tank capacity, minimum octane is 91. Kung gusto niyo ng higher octane, pwede naman, pero kailangan maintain natin isang octane lang ang ating gagamitin. Dito naman tayo sa second row. So ang door panel natin for the second row, combination na urethane and fabric. Ang material naman ng seats natin is fabric, guys. Ceiling natin is light gray. Sa middle section natin, guys, merong aircon vent. Normal lang aircon vent sa mga ano yan mid-size sedan before, like yung mga Accord, mga executive cars. Pero ngayon kay Honda City meron na rin siyang aircon vent sa middle section. And kung na-notice nyo, spacious legroom para mas maging comfortable tayo pag tayo ay nag-travel. Dapat naman tayo sa front portion, guys. Quick review lang naman to, guys, kasi may mga previous vlogs na rin naman ako ng ating unit. Sa door panel naman natin sa driver side, nandito yung buttons natin. Naka power folding side mirrors na tayo. Side mirrors itself, yung adjustment or knob nya, central door lock, window lock, and window switches. PSI guide laging nasa gilid ng driver side, pero normally 32 sa harap, 30 sa likod. Meron din tayong lever dito for the compartment. Height adjustment is manual for the driver side. Then sa baba naman, guys, nandito yung gas lid and hood. Saka ko lang, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang digital portion ng ating panel is colored na kasi equipped na siya ng Honda Sensing. Basta naka Honda Sensing ang unit natin for Honda, colored na ang ating digital panel na nasa center portion. Pero ang pinaka panel natin, guys, combination siya ng analog and digital. Then tilt adjustment ang ating steering wheel, audio control with hands-free telephone assist, and for the Honda Sensing and adaptive cruise control. For the wipers, for the fog lamps and headlights, for the wipers, ito yung kanyang lever. Push start button na rin siya, guys. Lahat naman ng variants ng Honda City naka push start button na. So para ma-start natin yan, naapakan natin yung brake, then press start. Basta yung smart key is nasa loob ng sasakyan. Dashboard natin, very smooth at napakalinis tingnan. Actually very lang siya, simple pero malakas ang dating, lalo na pag nakita niyo siya ng personal. Hindi siya bare tingnan. Then touchscreen audio unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Wireless na siya, guys. Aircon buttons natin, 2 USB ports, power outlet, 2 cup holders. Transmission natin, guys, icon button. Then itong portion na to is for the manual key. Just in case na ma-discharge yung battery nyo, dito nyo siya ilalagay para ma-shift nyo lang yung transmission from park to neutral. So sa transmission naman natin, meron tayong park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sports mode. Handbrake, armrest, glove box, passenger seat natin. Pakita ko lang ang ating dome light. Glove box, warranty booklet, owner's manual, insurance policy na hard copy, and copy ng ORCR na hindi expired. Laging nandyan, guys. Visors natin with mirror na. Then map light natin sa halogen. Guys, just in case meron kayong mga concerns regarding cash discounts, bank purchase order discounts, cash discounts, parts inquiries and service appointments, and even bank display for our bank partners, feel free to call or text 0906-386-8937 or visit me at 598 EDSA East Grace Park, Caloocan City, and look for me, guys, Ross Oliver Cruz, ang inyong friendly sales manager here at Honda Cars Balintawak. Looking forward to meet you here, guys, and render my services to you. Kindly subscribe na nga rin pala sa aking YouTube channel para maging updated sa mga susunod na videos. And pa-follow na rin sa aking Facebook, Ross Oliver Cruz, and aking Facebook page, Honda Cars Balintawak Best Deals by Ross Oliver Cruz. Yun lang, guys. Thank you and God bless.